Welcome to my channel, The Herbal Fit. Don't forget to subscribe. Today we're diving into the wonders of Cassia seeds, known as Jimingzi in Chinese. These tiny seeds might not look like much, but they pack a punch when it comes to health benefits. So grab a cup of tea and let's get started. Segment 1. What are Cassia seeds? Cassia seeds come from the plant Cassia obtusifolia, or Cassia tora, which thrives in tropical regions, especially in Asia. For centuries, they've been a staple in traditional Chinese medicine, praised for their ability to relieve constipation, detoxify the body, and even improve eye health. But what makes them so special? Let's break it down. Segment 2. The health benefits of Cassia seeds. Cassia seeds are like nature's little miracle workers. Here are their top 5 benefits. Relieves constipation. Cassia seeds are a natural laxative. They're gentle yet effective, lubricating your intestines and making bowel movements a breeze. Imagine saying goodbye to bloating and discomfort. Detoxifies the body. They're fantastic for liver detoxification, helping your body flush out toxins. A clean liver equals better digestion, clearer skin, and improved overall health. Supports eye health. In traditional Chinese medicine, Cassia seeds are believed to cool the liver and improve eye conditions like redness, dryness, and blurry vision. If you've been spending hours staring at screens, this might be your go-to remedy. Aids in weight loss. These seeds promote better digestion and fat metabolism, making them a great addition to your weight loss journey. Plus, they reduce bloating, giving you a flatter tummy. Improves sleep quality. Struggling with restless nights? Cassia seeds have a calming effect, helping you unwind and sleep more soundly. Segment 3. How to use Cassia seeds. Now that we know how amazing they are, let's learn how to use them. One of the simplest ways is by making Cassia Seed Tea. Here's what you'll need. 1 tablespoon of Cassia seeds, 2 cups of water. Step 1. Rinse the seeds thoroughly to remove any dirt. Step 2. Add the seeds to a pot of boiling water. Step 3. Let it simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes. Step 4. Strain the tea and enjoy it warm. It's that easy. And if you want to spice things up, you can blend Cassia seeds with other herbs like chrysanthemum for eye health or green tea for a metabolism boost. Segment 4. Precautions and tips. Of course, as with any remedy, there are a few things to keep in mind. Don't overconsume. Too much Cassia seed tea can cause diarrhea or abdominal discomfort. If you're pregnant, nursing, or on medication, consult your doctor before trying it. Drink the tea between meals, as it might interfere with iron absorption if consumed with food. Moderation is key, and incorporating Cassia seeds into a balanced lifestyle can make a huge difference. Segment 5. From what age can Cassia seeds be used? You might be wondering, who can use Cassia seeds, and at what age? Generally, Cassia seeds are safe for adults and children over the age of 12. For younger children, it's best to consult a healthcare provider before use. As for frequency, adults can enjoy Cassia seed tea 2 to 3 times a week. Drinking it more often could be too strong for some individuals, especially those new to herbal remedies. Always start with small amounts to see how your body reacts. Segment 6. Why choose Cassia seeds? So why choose Cassia seeds? They're natural, affordable, and incredibly versatile. Whether you're looking to improve digestion, detox your body, or simply relax after a long day, these little seeds have got you covered. And that's it for today. Have you ever tried Cassia seeds before? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on more natural health tips. Until next time, take care and stay healthy.